Welcome, everybody. This is Linda, and you're at Icky Chic Designs. If you've been stitching along with me, creating cozy things for your home and other things, and diving into a little bit of heart centered mindset work from time to time, uh, I have something really special to share with you today. And it's really time sensitive. So I wanted to get this video out to you, even though it's not on my new scheduling, which is going to be videos on Wednesday and Saturday. Over the last few months, many of you have reached out to me and have asked for a deeper connection, more of a community situation where we could interact more. Where it just different from YouTube because yes, we can comment back and forth, but that's about all we can really do. So you've asked for community and the kind where people actually show up, participate, and so I've built one. Actually, I've built two beautiful spaces for us. The first one, there's the Cozy Makers Club. Now, this is my space for slow stitching, beginner-friendly projects, inspiration, creative challenges, much like we do here, but with more of a community shared experience, and where we are still working with our scraps and turning those into beautiful things, but other things also. If you love the cozy creativity that we do here, you'll also love this new community where starting in January, the content will be exclusive. In other words, it will be different from what I put on YouTube. The other one is called the Warm Wisdom and Mindset Club. Now, this is a gentle, heart-centered corner for women who want encouragement, some grounded positivity, authentic conversation, and often simple mindset shifts that actually make us feel better, more seen, more appreciated, more understood. But here's the exciting part for all of my YouTube family here. I'm doing this because I want you to experience what real community can feel like before the doors officially open on these two groups in January, at which time there will be a subscription charge to join them. There's no pressure, no obligation. Right now through December, you can just come in, see what's happening, enjoy what I've created for you, and if you like it, you can join for free during the month of December. We have classes, we have creative challenges, we have prompts. Later, I'm going to do some live sessions and a community feed that actually feels encouraging and safe. But after December, the doors will shift to a paid membership. So this is truly the best time to check it out and get in. So if you've been watching my videos thinking, I'd love a place to belong, I'd love a place to learn slow stitching, that is also paired with a more interactive community that isn't draining, then now's the moment. Click the links in the description below. Check out one or both. And if you do, you'll find me there. You don't need any experience. You don't need any fancy supplies or tools. You don't need to be perfect or anything else. Just bring yourself, your curiosity, your creativity, your heart, and let's just continue to grow in a more expansive platform. Now, December, as I said, is our warm-up month. And I wanted to do that because I wanted to hold it open for everyone here for that month so that it could remain free for you. If you come in and join as a free member, you stay free for life no matter what changes later on. So go ahead and click those links and come join our cozy communities while it's still completely free. I can't wait for you to check them out. Till next time, let's stay scrap happy. Let's keep breathing. Let's keep creating. Let's keep finding the beauty in small things. And let's keep finding ways to spend more time together, get to know each other better, and play together. Be safe.